part of us. Thank you so very much for loving Hawaii. And through our music, we try to facilitate all this love and synergy that happens in this beautiful place to then come through our music and get into your heart. So we want to thank you all so very much for hopefully enjoying this wonderful time of season, this time that we have been spending together. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. I want to introduce the band once again. My brother of 18 years, we're playing music together, me and this gentleman. How's about a big hand on bass guitar and vocals, Mr. Kahi Kaponohi Okala. All right. On the other side, on the guitar. Another big hand for our brother on guitar, ukulele, and vocals. A big hand, Mr. Richard Gideon. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, everybody. Love you, very nice. Happy holidays. And on the 6th string, slacky guitar. How's about a big hand for my brother, Mr. Bobby Moldero Jr. Love you guys. Thank you very much. Let's go. We're Maunalua. We end with this song that is giving thanks, and I mean more so now than ever before. Not only because of the season, but when we look at what's happening around this world, we need to give thanks. We need more thankful people in this world for the mere sake of being thankful. And this song personifies that and gives us hope. And so we do this song for each and every one of you called He Is the Only Reason. We sing it because of Jesus looking down upon us and taking care of our families, but each of us have our own little ways of giving thanks. And at the bottom line, the end of the day, it's about that. So we end with this song on this beautiful season. Blessed to you and your families. Have a safe season. I hope to sing for you all again soon. Until then, aloha ahuiho. We are Maunalua. Thank you very much, guys. Take two. I've been blessed with so many things. until you